So after 2 years of use, this clothes drying rack still holds its own. It's very durable. As you can see right here, I'm loading my clothes up in the garage. You can see that there's some fading on the color of the racks or the plastic bars. It's fading over time through sun, through being exposed. But none of the brackets have broken. It is a little bit wobbly, but it's very easy to use. You see I have hangers, I have other assortments I can put on for socks, underwear. I can fully load this and all the flaps open, and it's very easy to use. So I load this in the garage and I put it outside. As you can see right here, this is a different shot. I'm not even using every single thing, but as you can see, it's very huge once you fully extend it. So you can pretty much be very versatile on how you want to dry your clothes. Definitely use clips if you're outside just to make sure it stays stabilized. But the bar stays very stable. It does really well with clothing. Blankets a little bit harder because it's less stable, but you can see there is some wear from the color from the sun.